What's up guys, thank you. Every big manufacturer is working on their respective new flagship devices for 2019. Even LG is also working on the LG G8 ThinQ as leaked by various rumors and reporters. It is reportedly coming with a unique sound on display technology. Further, there will be high quality display, Snapdragon chipset and a huge battery intact. Today, it has been captured from different angles in the first ever LG G8 ThinQ render. The design falls in the same line as witnessed in the recently leaked C80 designs. After looking at the renders, you will notice a display notch carrying round edges. Its notch seems to house various sensors such as a dot projector, IR camera, and time of flight camera. It is speculated that LG is looking to eliminate the fingerprint authentication as no fingerprint sensor can be seen on either rear on the front sides. There are many ways to introduce more secure facial recognition. Unlike LG G7 ThinQ, the press render showcased LG G8 ThinQ without any earpiece in the notch. It is raising speculation that they are replacing earpiece with the sound on display technology. On the rear side of the device, there is a dual camera with an LED flash and a fingerprint sensor. We can see the metal body engraved with LG G8 ThinQ branding on the back side. On the right side, there is a power button with SIM card tray and 10 bands visible, while volume up down keys and Google Assistant key has got a place on the left side of the device. Unfortunately, we didn't get a glimpse of its bottom and the top sides. In the recent leak, it has been suggested that LG G8 ThinQ will carry 6.1 inches display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio.